Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Vercel easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Vercel website by typing vercel.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with several sign up options. Choose to sign up using your email address, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. If you select email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a password that meets the specified requirements. Once your information is filled out, click on the Create Account button. If you chose a social login option, follow the prompts to log in. After successfully signing in, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Vercel. Click the link to confirm your email address if prompted. After verifying, return to the Vercel dashboard. Here, you can start creating your first project. Explore different features and services offered by Vercel. To customize your account, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. In the account settings, you can manage your profile and billing information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.